Traders, we got a fresh new week ahead of us. On the move this morning, we got MDCO up almost 12%, over 260,000 traded pre-market in play. ULTA down almost 2%, 47,000 traded pre-market in play. BA down over 2%, 75,000 traded pre-market in play. We got a lot of the big players here this morning. Don't really see anything that looks really good, but you can always count on these to move a little bit. So let's get to it. WYNN, we're going to take this first short right here before it cracks 106. All right, we're in at 106.30. Looks like it's about to crack 106. Daily looks good for shorts. Things been downtrending, chopping around down here for a little bit, and tried to climb, but now it's going back down. Oh, here we go. It's going to break 106 here. Target on this I like around 105.50, and stop loss will be over 107. Here it comes. See if it continues here. I want to try to take this here if we can. All right, we're up. Took about close to 50 cents on. Oh, and there it goes. I should have waited. But I saw the volume was shriveling up, and I don't want to be stuck in this trade. NFLX, we just got in at 290.50. Not sure if I was recording, but it looks good. It looks good to break below the lows here. If we look at the market right here, market is dropping hard, so we got tailwind. Stop loss on this is going to be over 291.25, maybe 291.50 area, and target's going to be 289.50, a point each way. But the market looks good. The market is dropping hard, so we think this will go below the lows here, and we'll see if the market stops. We'll get out of it earlier. Here it comes. Should be a nice dramatic break below 290. NFLX, if this thing don't drop soon, I'm going to come out of it. But the market is telling me to stay in the trade, so we're going to come out of this trade right here. I don't like it anymore. All right, we're out. We're out with, what is that, 35-cent loser. Yeah, I should have dropped here. It didn't. It might still drop. This thing can really move, and I don't want this to squeeze back up there like it did on this area here earlier. BA, we're going to try to take this short right here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We're in at 351.69. Daily does not look good for a short because it had been uptrending. But intraday, it gaps down, big, flushed, rallied with the market, and now that the market is weak, we think this thing drops below the lows here. So target on this one is going to be, I'm going to say 350.50 area. And stop loss will be over 352.25 area. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Market is dropping, so we got tailwind. All right. It's about ready to crack 351. Having a hard time there. If it don't crack soon, we're going to come out of it. BA, we just tapped our stop. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't drop here, we're just going to come out of it. BA, been in this for a bit now. Starting to give me a headache. If it don't drop soon, we're just going to come out of it. But it looks good here. We think it drops. BA, we're going to come out of this right here. I don't like it anymore. All right, we're out of, all right, we're full out. We took a 5-cent loser on that. We had a winner. We had a, almost a point winner on that one. And I didn't take it because I wasn't fast enough. But the market's waking up here, and if this thing starts to climb here, it's going to be pretty dramatic, and I don't want to be part of that. It's a big mover. Win, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. It looks about ready to tip. All right, we're in. We're in WYNN. Second trade on it. We took it earlier, and we took like 50 cents or so, close to it. And then it rallied from the lows for a little bit, and now it looks weak. So we're going to take it back to 104.50, and stop loss will be over 106, around 106, about 75 cents each way, maybe a point. We'll see how it handles here. The market's dropping, so WYNN, look at that, squeezed pretty hard right over to our stop, tapped it, and now it's given out. I think after this initial squeeze here, I think it's over. But if it does start to climb again, we're going to come out of it. Win, I'm out of this right here at the bid. All right, we're out. We're out for close to about a 90-cent loser. Yeah, this thing ain't going to drop here. Plus, there's no volume. BA, we're going to try this here. We took it earlier, but we got out of it with a small loss. But we think it drops now. It didn't climb, so we got out of it around 351.74. So we're basically getting back in where we got out. But it did drop. It came right back up again. So we think it drops here, though. So target on this one's going to be, I like 350 area. And stop loss will be around 352.50 area. But this thing had multiple chances to climb, and it's not climbing, so we think it drops. Let's take a look at this thing up close. This is our second trade on it. BA finally cracks this zone it was trading along in. We got about 40 cents, 50 cents. It's not enough. We're going to take this below 351. I'm going to try to get the day to at least flatten out. BA, I still want it to crack 351. I should probably take it here, but the market is dropping, so market's telling me this thing is going to crack 351. Then we'll probably take it. BA, we're going to try to take this right here if we can. Alright, we're out of 100. Alright, we're gonna push this up. I don't want to stay with 50. Alright, we're out. We're out. We took a little over 80 cents on that trade. It just, when it cracked 351, it didn't do it the way I wanted it to. So that's good. We'll take it. Brought us back to close to even. NFLX, we're in at 290.73. Second trade on it. We took it earlier and we took a loss, about 35 cents, but now it looks like it's ready to crack this area here. It just cracked 291, but we think it continues to drop. It's got momentum. Market is dropping also, so we think we can get maybe 50 cents to a point off of this. So target's going to be, I like it around 290, maybe below it. And stop loss is going to be around 291.50. About 75 cents to a point each way. But it looks good here. Try to get the day back to green. Pretty much flat for the day, but I think this will get us to green. Let's take a look at this thing up close. NFLX. We got about 40 cents. I don't see it moving the way I want it to. So we might take it here. Yeah, let's try to take this right here. Alright, we're out. We're out for close to 50 cents. Oh, and look, now it's dropping. But that's okay. I mean, I don't see the volume is an issue to stock right now. So I'll take that. Took almost 50 cents. But that's going to be it for us today. It was a rough session today. We took 3 losses pretty much right off bat in a row. Then we got it pretty much back to par on BA, but this one took us to green. So we're up 56. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 3 winners and 3 losers. Our biggest winner on BA and our biggest loser on WYNN. Thanks for watching.